Hi everyone, welcome to today's project. In this video, I'll guide you through making this cute doggy drawstring pouch. I'm using 5-ply cotton yarn and 3.5mm hook for this project. Before we start, let's get a quick overview of what we'll be doing. First, we'll create the body of the pouch, which consists of 10 rounds. Then, we'll crochet 2 little ears, also with 10 rounds each. Next, we'll make 2 drawstrings for the pouch. And finally, we'll put everything together and assemble the pouch. If you don't have safety eyes and nose, you can just stitch them on using black yarn. It's a simple and fun project that you can make in just a few steps. Let's get started. I'm using this color of yarn purely to make the stitches easier to see on camera. Feel free to use any color you like for your own pouch. Start with a slip knot on your hook. Chain 17. Now, starting in the third chain from your hook, work 3 double crochets into the same stitch. Yarn over and hook goes in. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all the loops on the hook. That's 1 double crochet. And 2 more to go in the same stitch. This will start curving one end of our oval. To keep track of your starting point, remember to place a marker in the first stitch of every round. Next, make 1 double crochet into each of the next 13 chains. When you reach the very last chain, work 6 double crochets all into that same stitch. This will curve the other end of the oval. Now, we're working along the other side of the foundation chain. Make 1 double crochet into each of the next 13 stitches. Finally, in the starting chain space, work 3 double crochets into the same stitch to complete the oval shape. That's the end of round 1. Make a slip stitch to join the round. Now we're ready for round 2. From here until round 9, each round will have 38 double crochets. At the start of every round, we make 2 chains. These chains do not count as a stitch, they're just here to bring our yarn up to the height of a double crochet. So the first stitch of the round is the same height as the rest. Think of them as a little step, or a lift, before you start working the actual stitches. Because these chains don't count, our first real double crochet goes into the very first stitch, the same stitch where we joined in the previous round. And then 1 double crochet into each stitch all the way around. After that, make a slip stitch into the first stitch to join the round. We will catch up at the end of round 9. Here is my last double crochet of round 9. Join with a slip stitch to close the round 9. And we are ready for the last round of the body. Chain 2 to start. Make 1 double crochet in the first stitch. And chain 1. Then skip 1 stitch. Make the next double crochet. Chain 1 and skip 1 stitch. Repeat that around. Slip stitch to join. The body part is finished. Snip yarn and conceal the end. Now let's make the dog's ear. Start with a magic ring. And work 6 single crochets into the ring. Pull the tail to close the center. Slip stitch to join. Chain 1 to start round 2. 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Then an increase in the next stitch. Repeat that sequence, 1 single crochet, 1 increase, until you have 3 increases total. That will give us 9 stitches. Slip stitch to join. Chain 1 to start round 3. 1 single crochet. And increase. And 1 single crochet. Repeat this pattern 3 times. That brings us to 12 stitches. Slip stitch to join. Rounds 4 and 5 are identical. Chain 1 to start and slip stitch to join. Work 1 single crochet in each stitch around. We will catch up at the end of round 5. Slip stitch to join round 5. Chain 1 to start round 6. 1 single crochet. Then a decrease. Then another single crochet. Repeat that sequence a total of 3 times. This reduces our stitch count to 9. Slip stitch to join. For the next 2 rounds, work 1 single crochet in each stitch around. And let's catch up in the end of round 8. Chain 1 to start round 9. 1 single crochet. Then a decrease. Repeat that 3 times. Which brings us back to 6 stitches. Slip stitch to join. Chain 1 to start the last round of the year. And work 1 single crochet in each stitch around. then a slip stitch, and that completes one ear. Make a second ear the same way. Slip knot to start making the drawstring. Chain 55 or more until you see fit. Just make sure both drawstrings are the same length. Use sewing needle to attach the ears. If you don't have safety eyes, you can stitch them on using black yarn. Thread the 2 drawstrings through the last round of the bag. Tie a knot to secure the ends. And that's it for today's crochet doggy pouch tutorial. I hope you enjoyed making this fun and functional project. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you in the next video.